Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you.
3,000 doses lie in open. False text on being vaccinated. Racket unearthed in Unnao. Even as COVID-19 immunization gains pace in Uttar Pradesh, people in the state Unnao district have complained of the fake vaccination and a huge catch of unregistered doses was found. The case of fake vaccination was unearthed in Unnao's Miaganj area where more than 3,000 vaccine doses were found kept out of cold storage and beneficiaries were incorrectly receiving messages that they were vaccinated. Around 3,000 vaccine doses meant for the community health center in the Miaganj were recovered under the suspicious circumstances as the residence of a private employee. The vaccines were not kept in the cold storage. The incident has caused a stir among locals and district administration alike. The BJP MLA from Safirpur, Bambalal Divakar, who reached the spot, has complained to high-ranking officials as well as the Chief Minister's office, demanding action against the culprits. The CMO has ordered to probe into the incident. Speaking to India Today, IO Sangeet Patil said that the store helper Rani, who used to maintain the vaccine boxes, was asked by CHC Superintendent Aftab Ahmed to keep the boxes of vaccine doses at her place. She said she had no idea about what use the shots were put to and was only following the superintendent's order. Rani has alleged that Ahmed used to pressure her to fake records of the work done at the CHC and threatened to fire her if she objected. Traffic heat flights suspended as Chennai battles rain for 14 days so far in TL. The flooding in Tamil Nadu triggered by intense shower and release of surplus water from dams has claimed 14 lives, as several parts of Chennai remained underwater till late on Thursday. Over 75,000 police officers and other government authorities are on work, looking to help citizens. The excess water from the dams was turned the suburbs into a virtual large water body as speeds varied with Telugu and fast. The depression that moved towards the metropolis on Thursday is all set to cross the coast while the authorities used heavy-duty motors, robotic excavators and deployed its full manpower to pump out water. They clogged drains, removed trash and uprooted trees. The heavy rainfall since last night covered almost the entire city under sheets of water, including downtown Mylapore, and heavy inundated several parts of neighborhoods including Vellacheri and rainwater entered the state-run hospitals in KK Nagar and Chormbet, prompting authorities to shift patients to the other facilities. Fearing damage, several residents of Telugu hit Ram Nagar in Madhipakkam parked their cars on the nearby Vellacheri flyover margin or underneath similar facilities nearby. The violence of Podupet near the Solan Kuam River, Chulai, Semacheri, Kondambakkam, KK Nagar, MGR Nagar, and Arubakkam were among the innumerable neighborhoods hit by the Telugu. Records lowest minimum temperature of the season, markedly to dip further in coming days. The national capital on Thursday recorded a maximum temperature of 25.4 degrees Celsius, 3 notches below the normal, with the weather department predicting the mercury to fall further in the next few days. On Thursday morning, Delhi also recorded the lowest minimum temperature of the season so far at 12.6 degrees Celsius, 1 notch below normal. The relative humidity at 5:30 p.m. on Thursday was 79%. According to the Central Pollution Control Board, Delhi's air quality remained in the severe category on Thursday, with the air quality index clocking the value of 419 at 7 p.m. and AQI between 0 and 50 is considered good. 51 and 100 satisfactory, 101 and 200 moderate, 201 and 300 poor, 301 and 400 very poor, and 401 and 507. The IMD has forecast a clear sky with mist or shallow fog in the city in the coming days. Officials said the minimum and maximum temperatures are likely to fall further in the next few days.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.